Okay, all my genius students, I'm going to show you how to add audio for your project and also show you some things to do. Alright, so first of all, I'd like to tell you that it is always good to check the site. So Matthew's class site, and you can always find that site by going to your site. In this case, I'm going to class 201 site and clicking Matthew's site. From there, you can go to 2019, scroll down, semester 1, and now we have all the information you need. So we have Slang 2019 and we have second project Slang. So I already made an entry about how to add Google to the site, so you can always check this out and the video, right? Also, you can check out the instructions, and when you do that, you can scroll down and find examples. So here's an example from last year. Discard wrapped. They have their introduction, they have their music file, they have the picture, and their script. And each time they write their script, they have their student number, which is very important. If you don't have your student number, you cannot get credit. So here we go. As you see, the script, picture, script, script. So I'm going to show you how to add the audio. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to class 201, and we're going to go to my example group. So the first thing you should do is you should create a page like we did before. So we're going to name this Project 2, and I'm going to give it a title, Amazing Slang Words. Alright? Then we're going to make sure that you put it under your group name, so as before, and then create. Wait for it to create. Now we have our page. Now, how can we add audio to this? So I suggest that students use SoundCloud. So I have my SoundCloud file already ready. With SoundCloud, you can just upload your audio straight to the site, and then you can use this to add to the Google site. So I have this here, it says dope, and I want to share it. So I go to share, embed, and I click this code right here. I copy the code, copy. Alright? Then we go back to project 2, and we go to HTML. Make sure you hit HTML, and then we Control V or paste into there. Go to update, and then you have Google Gadget, like that. And if you have Google Gadget, then you're good. So you save it, and voila, I have my SoundCloud right there. Now I can go back into it, and I can type my introduction. I'm just going to do this, you know. And after the audio file, I can add pictures and my script. Also, student numbers. Alright? And then you just do save. Okay? Now let me show you another way you can do that. So let's go back to this. I'm going to delete this right now. Okay? Another way you can use is you can use YouTube. Alright? Or Google Drive. Okay? So all you have to do is go to Insert and go YouTube. It asks for the URL. So what you do is you click this, copy, okay, go back, paste the URL, and save, like that. Okay, it says YouTube video, alright? Then you can make your introduction and everything else. And one more way. Well, let's save that so you can see what it looks like. Okay, there you go. Look at that. Now let's show another way. I'm going to delete this. And we're going to do one more way. Insert. This is from Google Drive. So we go to Drive. And for a drive, you have to make it a video file. So we go to Video. And if you make it a video file but just has audio, you can just select anything and put it in. You select the file, and you save it, and then everything's good. And if you can see, save, like that. All right. Now I'm going to delete this again, because I want to show you one more time the preferable way, which is SoundCloud. So I'm going to put my SoundCloud back in here. Okay. Copy. And go to Google Site. Update. And once again, I want to show you that you have to put your introduction. I'm just going to write introduction here. And you write whatever words. La 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 la. This is what we did. We did this because we wanted to show this or that. All right. And then down here, enter. Make sure you have your script with pictures and student numbers. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the example right here, and I'm just going to copy and paste this right here so people can see what to do. All right. Then you save it, and everything is good. And then you play it and make sure it plays.
One of my favorite words is the word dope.
There it is. Now, one thing you have to make sure is you have to make sure that it's not stuck on private. So how we do that is we go to More, Edit Track. It's loading. And we check. So this says Privacy, Public. Public is good. Private is bad. We don't want that. We want public. And then you say Save Changes. Okay? Same thing with YouTube. If you use YouTube, make sure it is on public. Okay? You can go to Edit Video. Just loading. Still loading. And then you scroll down and see it says public. Okay? Make sure this part right here is on public. Okay, that's about it. And if you have any questions or anything, come see me at my desk or send me an email. It's better to see me at my desk, okay? So that's it. Hope that helps you, and good luck.